Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I said that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I said that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Dear Jamaicans, this has got to be the biggest joke of the century. So apparently Jamaica fell down in the World Press Freedom Index. We dropped about 2 spaces. And all of a sudden we're hearing how Jamaican journalists are worried. What are you worried for? No, big and serious. Why are you all worried? You literally sold your souls to the government. If you're in politician pocket, why are you all worried? Listen, do you think Jamaican people are idiots? Me, who in my late 30s going up into my 40s used to listen to like Jamaican media religiously. I was definitely my mother's child. And I realized I see my mother stop listening to Jamaican news totally. And she used to say, boy, them bias. I never used to pay it any mind until it became so glaringly obvious. First and foremost, every single radio station is full of government ads. That's number one. Then if the government is paying your salary through ad slots and there is basically no more ad slots for anybody else except for big business who mainly supports the government and the government, then what do you expect? Seriously. He who pays the piper calls the tune. So for you to now be worried about the press freedom that you sold, it's kind of disingenuous. It's giving me, we don't care. First of all, you made yourself redundant. So there is nobody batting. I see the opposition trying to bat for you, but really and truly, I don't even think the opposition should get involved. You have one radio station who is totally devoted to pushing the media, the government's agenda. And you all have these people as leading influencers. You don't even want to call out the bullshit in your own profession. And now you're crying. When ordinary Jamaican citizens show say journalism in Jamaica watered down. For heaven's sakes, the other day, CVM TV posts say which company supposed to shift operation to one next country. I can't remember which organization. Oh, it was Omni Industries. That's it. Omni Industries. It's supposed to be shifts operations to Guyana or whichever other country. And the big headline had shifts operation. And when we call out these things, we hear that we are too concerned about grammar and grammatical errors. Like, seriously? So you water down your whole profession by yourself and then complain when we point it out to you. Listen, you see, I don't know about most Jamaicans. Well, I should say I do know. But is social media the thing they know? Social media. We have people on social media who get larger viewership and listenership than you get on mainstream media. I don't know if even anybody else still watch local TV. Wanna try everything, but wanna realize that social media the thing there, so the whole I wanna start come over social media and expect that people going to follow But we are not following you. We're not listening to you because we realize that you've sold your souls, that you are journalists for hire, that you are no longer fair in your reporting. You are no longer unbiased in your reporting. You now have an agenda. So, if there is a fall in press freedom or journalistic freedom, it is of your own creation. So why are you now crying? Suck it up. Nobody else cares because you are now irrelevant. I thank you. Have yourself a great day now.
The opposition spokesman on national security is insisting that resources are being withheld from the Financial Investigations Division FID to fight financial crimes such as money laundering. Peter Bunting was speaking at a recent constituency meeting in central Kingston. He indicated that the Integrity Commission report into the statutory declarations of Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has been referred to the FID.
That report was referred to the Financial Investigation Division. But what we have learned, not through this government, but through the International Narcotics Report that's published by the USA, is that the FID has been starved of resources. Their staff complement is now only one third of what it should be. They have no director. They have an acting director who is the IT manager, not an investigator. So what we see is that the organization has been stripped of staff and resources, and I leave you to draw your own conclusions.
The March 2025 U.S. International Narcotics Control Strategy Report states that the FID reports a reduction in defensive suspicious transaction filings due to technological improvements and training. Financial and human limitations continue to hinder efforts to investigate and prosecute money laundering. The U.S. report indicates that the FID has 83 staff members as of October 2024, well short of its target of 230 employees. From January to March 2014, 11 persons were prosecuted and 8 convicted for financial crimes. $1.9 million in criminal assets have been seized.
Boy, I love local vibes on Jamaica, what they hear everything, but why? When it come on to the police, them don't know. If me don't at Jamaica, I never know if me don't want to drive a car. Because honestly speaking, when it come on to people where drive on the road and police, boy, I tell you, say police then torment. Me did it for about 6 days, and every day at least 2 times, no mind sharp, police I stop you somewhere about something or the other. And I just know, say, alright, so my time for your foreigner, you catch a break. But if you leave them, I just know the trouble where if people in my fear go through. Just one thing after the other. Roadblock after roadblock. You never know if some of them authorized or some of them even legit. I know if I just them take themselves say, alright, me I go out on the road till they go make a money. That's really what me observe. Me I come away from somewhere, one late night, one come off a main road, go way up in one place to where they are still. When me look in at was a man in police, they up this black road like one who could have really look for up there. So you can't just say, alright, I just torment, torment. And next thing again the police them down at Jamaica. When you catch somebody I do something wrong, one of just arrest them and done. When me couldn't have to always want to lick people pitney. Why is something in a one if you have to just love lick and love beat up people? Me don't know. Me see somebody I do something wrong down there now. When you do foolishness, you have to get punishment for it. To be honest, one of the event let me go. And me see one youth run from some police. I don't know whether people carrying the try for broke or while if that thing for doing, if you get arrested and if you go to jail and if you pay the penalty. But when the police then run him down, when they catch him, they kick him up and lick him up a little bit like it not supposed to happen. That not supposed to happen. When if you stop just love lick people, adults, stop lick grown adults. And on a job that, on a job, have to arrest them. Even if you no run or no lazy or no never the one have to run, that alone should make you decide, sorry, when me catch you, me have to give you 2 lick before me put you in a vehicle. That not right. Me not like that boy down there. Police them kind of little bit too torment down at Jamaica based on what me see. And the drivers them on the road, you know, take set pan them in a man. Me I tell you, you know. And yeah, just they look at something them I don't really like with that when they come on to a police officer them. Big up the good ones them still. Big up the one them we are doing a good job them. The one them we are take down the crime rate, make the crime rate get lower and lower. In the western parishes them. Yeah, we kind of like that because you know certain things have to come to an end. But outside of that, just do the right.
Hey.
Yes, I'm Nina, Mr. Golden.
Hey.
Yes, nice to meet you in my town.
Of course.
We're gonna run with the green one.
Absolutely.
And we're gonna take with this.
Yeah, man.
This belongs to Omar and you.
Of course.
All the way, Omar.
All the way.
All the way. Yes.
Look good.
Yes, people. My Golden and Gail. Walk and meet the people. Yes, go up there, we're gonna fix up that soon. Go up in the market, Omar. Yes, Market G. Fix up that food market.
Homosexuality is not a crime. As far as I know, it's not a crime. However, one of our former prime ministers, Mr. Bruce Golding, said on Hard Talk that he will have no gays in his cabinet. And it went on to make Jamaica seem to be more of a homophobic nation than probably it actually is. Would you reiterate those words today, or would
Absolutely not. No. It's not. Firstly, it's not my business. Yeah. Neither is it my interest to, and I don't. Whatever is in my discretion to distribute politically, a person's sexuality, sexual orientation is not a criteria for the use of my discretion.
We're not going to false promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office, on the things that we are novice, on the better listen to this. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly. Cause when they win them a go dump way. Market G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk for we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk for we. Yes, go march for we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention, leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do when in call the election. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. So we are tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them